Good morning, boaty people, and welcome to another exciting episode of Boat Technics. Today we are going to be installing a fire suppression device inside the lovely engine room. Ta-da! Engine room. So, the actual units we're on a wide beam today, and this is what we're going to be installing. A ceasefire automated fire suppression unit. It's gas operated, so should you ever have a fire in your engine room, the little glass vial on the top, just there, you can probably see, melts away and then thus extinguishes any potential dangers in your engine room. So follow me down into the darkest depths of the dungeon. And this is the reason why we are going to be doing said work. Let me grab my faithful companion. Inside we go. My little torchy. So over here we have our Webasto diesel heating system. Obviously the customer is a little bit conscientious should anything ever catch fire down here. This fire suppression system would obviously put that to sleep, and also we have on this particular engine a new fancy alternator that kicks out a whopping 4 kilowatts of power. So there is actually a management device for that unit, which is just behind me, just there, which one of the amigos has put in. He's done a sterling job. But should an alternator ever run away, they will get hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter and hotter until they suddenly decide they want to burst into flames and cause everybody massive problems. So that being said, what we're going to do is just behind me, on this convenient little spot underneath the engine floor ceiling as it would be, we're going to stick our fire suppression unit just there. So tune in and hopefully you'll see the job unfold, and hey presto, we're all happy. Lovely.
As we've cut a nice little bit of old hexi board, and this is going to be fastened on the underside here. So to do so we're going to use some super duper sticks like adhesive, but also this is actually 5 kilos in weight. So it's rather heavy just to rely on some adhesive being put on. So what we're going to do is we're going to mark up where this is going, and we're going to drill hole either side, however many, just to basically hold this in place. And then we're going to countersink the metal, so obviously the screws that are going to go through the deck don't become a trip hazard. 5 kilos in weight. The little glass vial you can see there, very fragile, so we have to be extra careful. But this is the all singing, all dancing supreme being of ceasefire action. Does lithium, chemicals, you name it, this thing is going to tackle them and eat them alive. So rather good piece of kit, and let's get cracking. Could do with a drill, would help. taking our Gucci piece of kit, now remembering, very fragile. Fragile of the very. Do not drop it. Keep it supported while we're threading. Now this particular thing pops off at 68 degrees. So should the engine room get higher than 68 degrees, you're going to have a lot of gas and a lot of smoke. Now, as you can see, as I'm turning this, there's a data tag on that. So for convenience, we're going to stick this facing us.